Anytime you run a task in OMIQ, it can be useful to check out the logs. There could be important messages there for you. In this case with SAM, what can happen when we run with medians is that we get a warning about NaN values. And NaN is short for not a number. And when we're running with medians on a bunch of different clusters or filters of our choice, what can happen is that we're trying to take the median of an empty cluster. And so what happens when you do that, because that condition is not defined, is you get NaN in the data. And what we do in that case, just to make it so you can still try to get some signal out of it, is we convert NaNs to 0. But this is technically not valid. It might work for your purposes, but you should just consider it. If you need to find out what is giving you an NaN, it's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is open up the Export Stats wizard. From there, just choose all the files that you had in the SAM analysis and go to the Features tab. Within Features, choose all of the filters that you had in the SAM analysis first, and then choose Median, or in this case, Mean would work as well. And then the features that you used for the SAM analysis. From there, you can skip right to Configuration and Export. When we open up the CSV file that gets given to us, we can see immediately that there are in fact NaN values, and we can see where they come from. In this case, one that we're dealing with is this file here, and it looks like that cluster number 10 on that file is empty, and so it gives us an NaN. So in our case, what actually gets fed to SAM would be a 0 here, and the same goes for all of these. To deal with this, really the only option, if you're not okay with 0, is to remove the cluster from the analysis or to remove the file from the analysis. But that does leave us maybe in a tight situation, because then the rest of these files can't be analyzed on that cluster. So 0 might just be okay for you.